Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends. Okay, now tomorrow 1st September 2020, I showed you that how can anyone apply for monetization and get a monetization easily. I show you all the tricks. Now today is 2nd September 2020 and I got a mail from YouTube. These ones, it shows me congratulations, you have approved. I am going to close it, open it. Now you can see I have got accepted for my monetization program. That means I got monetization. If I go for YouTube dashboard, you can see congratulations here. Congratulations, you have been accepted into your YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your all videos. If I go to my videos detail, sorry, not here, here. If I go to my videos, there's you can see here a dollar sign, but it's dark. That means I have to turn on monetization from here individual, but I can also turn on monetization by all by just a click, or I have to go here, you can see, or here monetize videos. Okay, this is monetization form. You have click monetization all videos here. Now scroll or click on all the options. Sponsor card, overlay ads, screamable video ads, non-screamable video ads, and also turn on during videos, all. And now click on apply preference here. You can see it takes some time, depends on your video counting. It's a bulk update. As you can see, I have 204 videos and all are successfully updated. Now if I refresh this page, okay, you can see here it shows monetization on option. If I go down, you can see all the options are on. That means I got monetization, and all monetization are working. All monetization options are working. That means I got monetization are really work. So friends, that's it. Hope this video will help you. If you have any question about monetization or any kind of YouTube videos or YouTube, you can comment here. Or if you have any suggestion for me, how can I improve my videos, you can also comment here. Friends, thanks all of you for your support and all of your appreciate. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?